Hello. Right, just got a quick video on the InkypHat from Pimoroni. I posted a picture and some people wanted to know how I got my custom art on there. So I will be showing you. So this is assuming you followed the guide from the page up here. I'll link it in the description. So once you've got to the stage where you've installed all their examples and where is the code? Yeah, so by doing this command here, installed that and you're all up and running, you've tested it, you can get a response, get these images. This is how to create your own custom. So they use GIMP. I don't particularly like GIMP. I use Photoshop because it's quite different to GIMP. I can understand why people use GIMP because it's free, but for me, after using Photoshop for so long, I just can't get my head around GIMP. So I'll just bring Photoshop over. Right, so I need to create a new image. So I run on my other screen. So it needs to be 212 wide and 104 height, and that's pixels. Just want to create that. Then we want to go to image mode. We want to set it to index color. Just gone over, so we need to turn transparency off. Custom on the pixel. Sorry, everything keeps going on my other screen. And then we need to set to their color palettes, which is on this link. So let's just go get the values for the color palettes. And I believe tools, yeah. So I don't know how to import into Photoshop, but it's easy enough just to open up and we can see the values here. It's very important we do them in this order as well. So it's easy enough, 255. Repeated. So it's going to be the RGB scale you're going to be setting. I believe the next one was all zeros. And then click for the third one, which was just red. Just check, make sure the order's right. Yeah. So in that order. Right, let's go back to Photoshop. Okay, that. Cool, so that looks all good. Okay. So here's our canvas if you like. Next thing is to import a picture onto it. So I find the easiest way, it's better to just use one of the preview pictures, I think, from like a Google search. I'm not too sure how well this is going to come out. Typically things with red can come out better, but you want the lower resolution because then it's not going to have to crop and figure out what pixels you want where. So back to Photoshop and just going to paste it in. Gives you quite a good dithering effect. Just going to reduce that down a little. Okay, that one's not a particularly good example. It's hit and miss. Let's try Mario, which is the one I did the other day, which looked awesome. Right, so actually, what was it about? That's not too bad. The best thing to do is zoom out actually, so yeah, first one didn't need to get it for the big one. So the screen's actually rather small anyway on the Pimoroni, so always when you're working on big, it's going to look quite terrible. Obviously pixelated is going to be hard to sort of figure out what's going on, but as soon as you zoom out a lot to roughly what the size of the actual screen is on the InkypHat, then you can see what your end results going to look like. Right, let's try movie title. Posters are quite good. Just go pull up Evil Dead. Mistyped on my keyboard. So I'm trying to find them. Yes, that's the one we want. Looks awesome. I think that should come out pretty good on the InkypHat. Maybe this. Right, so for saving, you want to save as a PNG. Doesn't really matter too much what you call it. I'm just gonna call it. Just call it evil. Save to my desktop. And then pop-up box. Cool. Right, let me. I think it's gone somewhere on my other screen. There it is. So I've got that now. So you can either plug in your Pi to USB, so plug a USB drive into your Pi, or you can drop it over like WinSCP, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm already connected to the Pi. Just going to drop it into the home Pi file. You can put in folder, it doesn't really matter. So there it is. And then I'm also connected by terminal to my Pi. I'm just going to grab the command for popping it in. Okay, so we want to open up a Python command on the old Raspberry Pi. Just going to sudo it. Python. Cool, so we're in Python. Quickly open a notepad. Just so I can change the script here before I paste it in. Evil. So I'll just put that to my InkypHat. And we'll just press enter. And you'll see in the bottom screen, it's just going to actually write it and run it. And there you go. Thanks for watching.